Hi everyone and welcome to Abhishek's kitchen. Today we are going to make spaghetti aglio e olio. At the end of this recipe, I am also going to share with you some plate time. So let's get started. For this we need 150 gram fresh spaghetti. The recipe for fresh spaghetti is in the description below. 50 gram grated parmesan cheese, 1 cup fresh chopped parsley, 3 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons chili flakes, and 8 to 10 sliced garlic cloves. Now for the recipe, on a high flame boil a big pot of water with salt. The salt should be enough so that the water tastes salty. Next, in a pan on medium flame add oil. Once the oil is hot, add chili flakes and garlic and mix. Once the water is boiled, add fresh spaghetti and swirl the water. It takes around 1 minute to cook the spaghetti, and floating spaghetti indicates that it is cooked. Drain out the spaghetti but keep the pasta water. Once the garlic turns light brown in color, add 2 ladles of pasta water to it and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Once the sauce thickens, turn off the flame and add fresh spaghetti, parmesan cheese and parsley and mix everything together using tongs. Add more pasta water if required. The spaghetti aglio e olio is ready to serve. Now let's get started on plating. For plate 1, swirl the spaghetti using tongs and place it in the center of a bowl and swirl again. Garnish it with fresh parsley and grated parmesan cheese. Your plate 1 is ready to serve. For plate 2, place 3 small portions of spaghetti using a fork on one side of a plate. Garnish it with fresh parsley and grated parmesan cheese. Your plate 2 is ready to serve. For plate 3, swirl spaghetti using a tong lengthwise. Using a fork, place it on one side of the plate. Garnish it with fresh parsley and grated parmesan cheese. Your plate 3 is ready to serve. Thank you and namaste from my side. See you all in the next video.